guys, I'm Ekta Hinduja and thank you so much for tuning in. Today's video, I'm sure you've read the title. What are these amazing books that you can start with your 3-year plus kids? So these are activity books, and now that the lockdown has started and the school vacations are on, and we as parents are always on a hunt to find something creative, something that interests them and something that keeps them engaged for at least 20 minutes. So these are the books that I have found on Amazon again. The first one I really loved is this one. This is my first learning activity book. It has different books inside and they are not very thick. So it has got patterns, colors, shapes, sorting, matching, so on and so forth. So these are the books which has got mazes, they have numbers, spot the differences, then this one, this, and a lot more. They are not heavy, they are very lightweight. Differences also, if I have to show you how they are very bright pictures. They have an elephant, a cupcake here, and as you can see, they have given in such a clear format that the child can easily understand and not get confused. Likewise, if I have to show you the say for example small letters, if I have to show you, so they have given you like this to write. So there is A, B, C, and then they have alphabets like these which the child can trace upon, and the capital letters is again like this. We've started with Ayan doing so, and this is how it looks. So this is the first box, you can keep it. The next one that I have been enjoying personally are these Brilliant Brain. So this is the Brilliant Brain book. They have a lot of them inside this. They have activity books. They have for different age groups, that is 3+, 4+, 5+, 6+, and 7+. So these are the series that's available on this, and these are priced at about 220 rupees. And also you can buy these and keep it handy, because it's not always easy to give them screen time. You always have to measure how much they are watching. So these have been really helpful. So as you can see, this is how the Brilliant Brain looks like. So these are the pages. Then they have these very basic activities that our children age 3+ can do it. It's not complicated. It's bright, beautiful, big colorful pictures for them to see, and it's very interesting. The third thing we bought again are these first activity books. So these are very great. Again, in this you have ages 3+, 4+, 5+, 6+, and 7+. And in this kids activity book, they have covered different subjects. They have environment, good habits, IQ, maths, and English. And when the age keeps growing, they have covered different topics as well. So this is English one. Now this is how the English one looks like. There's common letters and the scrambled ones. Okay. Then the IQ ones are also really good ones, like they have to tick the objects that you do not see in the kitchen out here. Then the environment book is a great one again, because they teach them, they are covering up a lot of topics. So this is how the environment one looks like. This is the good habit ones, and this is the last one is the maths book. So this is first activity books for the kids 3+. So this again is a Naisha book series. They have 24 books in this, and we have about like 4 or 5. So they have covered again a lot of topics in this. We have is a play school, supermarket, fire station. Now my son is obsessed with fire station, so I had to get him this book. And the age group of this book is from 2 to 5 years. So this was introduced as a gift to him, and we've been loving it. So this is how the entire concept is. So what they have done is they are writing that Naisha goes to a fire station and she sees everything, and these are the things that they have given here. Now the child, now say for example if you say there's a clock, the child has to find where the clock is. Now if they say this is the tank, so the child has to find where the tank is. So they have similar thing everywhere. From cruise, they show you where is the ship, and might I say so, my child has learned a lot of alphabets, what happens in cruise, and what is a port side, what is a starboard side, what is an anchor, and a lot of things. In the hospital also, the Naisha visits a friend in the hospital, and how they have shown. Play school is again a nice one. and the supermarket one. So these are again the next series of books that we introduced to Ayan, and he's now 3+ and he's been enjoying it. So guys, this is the next series of book that we invested in, is called Brain Quest, and as you open it you will see the questions here. There are 3 questions on each page, and when you turn the slide you will see the answers to it. The good part about this Brain Quest is that when you flip the booklet there are questions behind as well along with the answers, so it's a great one. And the last book, I don't know how many of you have been watching this series called Clifford, but Clifford book, this I had got it from Big Bazaar for him, just a random hunt, and this is really nice. So if you can see, it says that this is a bench, it's a friend of the letter B, and there is a spelling out here, then this is there, then this is a bicycle, a lot of things. So they have got it from A to Z. So this is S. So what they have done is they have got 400 words to learn, an alphabet sidebar, then this is how the entire pages look like. So this is again a great thing for us to introduce to our children, because we are always on a search to find something or the other. So guys, thank you so much once again for watching the video. If there's any query in terms of any previous boxes now or anything that you want to ask, please feel free to write it in the comment section, because I'm always up for it, for replying, for recommending, and for suggesting the right boxes for the right age. Also, there is a playlist on my YouTube channel that gives you, like, if you go to the playlist you will see all the videos related to that age group. So yes, thank you so much once again for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Take care, stay safe, keep yourself hydrated, and mask on always when you're out. Bye guys.